from the beginning, through the storm, and beyond. The Weather Channel, the Hurricane Authority. Extended tropical storm and hurricane news is always available at weather.com. Now, your local on the 8s.
A tropical storm warning, a flood watch, and a hurricane watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with showers and thunderstorms. High 86. For tonight, rain and wind with a few rumbles of thunder. Low 78.
Check out the rain falling this morning in Key